ስርዓተ ክብርታት ንዑ ከይሓስካ ድህነፅ ነገር የለን ድህነፅ ነይሩ ዝኸውን እዚያ ናይ እስያስ ፖለቲካ ራይዋ 35 ዓመት
እዚ ደቅሽ ንትሪኢ ኣለካ 7,000 ምስ ተዋሃበ ክደቅሽ እዩ ዘሎ
ሰላም ናብዚ ሰነዳ እዚዳ ምሽ ክንደይ ገይሩ ዳርጋ ሓደ ወሪ ዲ ክልተ ወሪ ገይሩ ኦልሞስት ወረን
ግን ወረቀት የብሉን ከመይ ተከሲሱ ወረቀት የብሉን እኮ ነሱ
ወረቀት ሃለወካ እንታይ ሰስ እንዲያ ዲኣፍ ወርቅ ወረቀት ኣሎ ዲ
ኖ ብምንታይ ይቅፅዑ ማለት 7,000 ስካበ የምፅኦም የከሶ ማለት ድምፂኪ ርትሒት ኢሉሎ
ኣድራሻ ኣለዎ ቤት ኣድራሻ ይድክሰስ ኣብ ዝኮነ ቦታ ኣድራሻ ኣለዎ ነው ኣብ ትነብረሉ ዓዲ ወላና
ኣብ ካምፕ ገለ ተልስ ናይ ግድን እያ
ወላ ኣብ ካምፕ ሃሉ ኣብ ገለ ሃሉ ኣድራሻ ኣለዎ ይሰርሕ እንዲ ይሰርሕ እኮ
ماشي
هاي سرحيني جزات الدربي ولا حنتي يبلون 400 ورحوي زلوا ولا ورقة كمان يبلون 4 شو من تعمتي زل ولا حنتي يبلون
ترقمي هوات يبلون مجاها ترقمي يبلون anyway أبزي كاله عتي خاد لها أو سامي كواي زاربني anyway السايخ بالدليل هواتي توم تي كله تزقبع مثلاً بسرعته جي أو تنازل لنا كم بروجرام مدباتنا تصبو كيدولنا يو تا قداميتي اب سويزرلاند نيرو زرسنا يتخصيصو له كستاتنا مسريتنا كاب سويزرلاند بلجيم اتينا لنا بلجيم دما غدا فورق نودينا كاوزا حلف دما استراليا خنكيد حاجسكم نحتت لنا ابناي ناتي بروفايل لكم تجو فاندمي او دونيت غبرو منالبات غو فاندمي زعبيكم سوات انتلكم دما بوشت اركبونا نسي يدبل دلهو باي هجي دارغا ساعات 4 كلت دقائق زلو يسراندي و 4 يسران الله بلجيم هجي خزاوري ابتخ كما قال ملخ الزاور مو صبو نف باس اندي زلو خزاوري فيديو اتقل ملخ
لك خاطر بوليتيكاوي قال ملك هيدي كاو وصي خاناتك بيزنس تفطر لك توصل لك مونيا تسعيرك خانسا حلافنا تاوي كونك اجي خاصي
Del Toro managing to get round that turn. He's in the cars. That's good news that Del Toro is behind the convoy with the lead and the others, or is he behind the peloton's convoy?
No, this is a little drag that will be quite good for him to get into position. Unfortunately, there's the other.
Is that Del Toro on the wheel of the Jayco Alula car as he just tries to work his way up towards the front now of the race?
So although it is illegal to be in the back of your own car, there still is this one of the few little unwritten rules with some of the more old school sports directors that you kind of have this thing where it's in the mechanical, you do help the riders who are coming from behind. Obviously when it's a race incident, you're out. But there still is, you will see often cars slowing down to help a rider from another team when he's in the cavalcade to make it back to the front. But it's very dangerous driving there from the sports directors, putting him on the side of the road. It's not like letting the gap for Del Toro to get in between the cars.
He's saying to his team car, you come up. But he's doing all right on his own at the moment, isn't he? I think they're waiting for Del Toro.
Nils Pollitt.
Nils Pollitt comes back.
So just see the peloton's also totally slowed down at this point. They realised they went a little bit too nervous on the previous climb, and they went back to 25 seconds onto that breakaway, and they realised they don't need to bring that breakaway back yet.
Del Toro's still at 1:49 behind the front of the race, so he's 1 minute and 12 seconds off the back of this peloton right now, with still significant gap.
Yes, but I think he's also had the information from his team. You can see he's quite chill. He's going to take a bit of ice, take a couple of meter sticky bottles here and there. Yeah, he said there's a car with the doctor, so he's coming back to commissary cars. So So he's on car number, that's probably car number 2 now. So he's sitting quite far in the back of the cavalcade. Still has about 15, 20 cars to go up.
It's chaos, isn't it?
It's a narrow road.
Nacho Fernandez is the driver of this car, I think. Look how close they are together as he tries to get through that particular section to look after Del Toro.
That was good driving by the car driver there at NSM, who realised there was a right-hand turn, so he stopped on the outside to make sure that Del Toro could get around the corner.
Ching just pulling the wing mirror in there as he goes past the TV bike as well. And working his way into the race as fast as possible. You are seeing what the convoy is like right now in the Tour de France.
Yes.
Chaos.
Although I do think that Machine is pushing a little bit too hard in the cars there. And there's no need. Del Toro has everything under control. The peloton is going, as you can see, at a quite slow pace. Riders are still asking for service, you can see there.
I think he'll be back any minute.
Well, any minute. That's why he's not even panicking. It was a bit of panicking to get the bike, but once he has the information that there's a bit of a drag, it's always easier to ride like Del Toro to come back when there's a climb rather than a fast descent where the peloton stretches out, but also where the cavalcade stretches out, and the cars give themselves a lot more space.
Tell you what, you don't want your feet on the side of the road here right now.
No, it's definitely made me hungry for dessert now.
Yeah, dessert.
For dessert.
Even the peloton going downhill. Del Toro is still chasing. 2 riders in the breakaway, and they are just going through the feed zone, Nico.
So, crème catalan is probably not on their menu for them tonight, but the crème catalan is a Catalan version of the French crème brûlée flavored with lemon zest and cinnamon, topped with a caramelized sugar crust.
That's tasty, isn't it?
That is very tasty.
Yeah. And that's dessert.
Yes.
Here's Del Toro.
We are also in quite a popular wine region, but I'm going to keep that for tomorrow because we get more deeper into that wine region tomorrow. But we did go past the Penedès wine region today, which is very famous for Escala, which is the Spanish equivalent of Champagne.
Del Toro is back. He's with Niels Pollitt now. Pollitt will bring Del Toro back up to the front of the race. Del Toro just in the wheels. And they want to make sure they position him back at the head of this peloton. Although look how it's spread out in one long line right now. Del Toro looks really easy. No panic. They go into the feed. The breakaway is at 43 seconds now. Yellow jersey Jonas Vingegaard on the right-hand side. So that's dinner.
And lunch.
And lunch. And breakfast if you want pan con tomate. Thank you, Nico. Thank you to all of you who message us about that particular little section that we do every single day of the Tour de France as we go around the different regions. We're able to give you an idea of what you might decide to eat that night. And I know some of you even, I've had people saying that they wait for the section and then they order the ingredients online and get them delivered that night so they can cook dinner. Why not?
You see Mario Jorgensen in the front here. There was a lot of questions yesterday. Why did he have a black helmet? Very easy. It was because the team wanted to know where he was in the line, and there's Jorgensen said, okay guys, we'll take it easy. It's a long descent. It's not about adding pressure. It's about being in position. Once you're in position, you're safe. You don't need to put extra stress again. So good job there by Jorgensen trying to calm things down at the front. But yeah, so yesterday, the idea of having Jorgensen with a black helmet was to be able to notice him and to know where he was in the line of riders if things went wrong or at certain points. And the same way it was easier to spot Vingegaard with his now red helmet, they could pick up Jorgensen with the black helmet.
The reason they wanted that is that they knew they needed Jorgensen to be there for the descent, because they had worked out that if they had 360-odd kilo riders, so Vingegaard, Sepkus and Big Anzoli going down that descent, they would have lost time, and they needed to make sure that Jorgensen could do a big turn down that descent, and then they knew he'd lose about 2 minutes. And they talked that through with him, and he knew that he'd lose about 2 minutes by the finish line, but they think that was the difference.
And we saw Jorgensen go to the front, And then at some point we thought that his arm was out. And the next thing he's back in the screen and Jurgensen has switched on. So everything was, what we saw on TV was just planned to perfection. Good job from them. Yeah. Today.
The teeth are yellow. I really recommend. The teeth are. Your future university degree is close.
قل على قوش واريخي قل سلما قل على قوش واريخي قل سلما تنعناندو مقد جزانا نبيني
أرحى على عثمان بوري بحري إيرترا
مليخ بحري إيرترا بحر زوم تقسكا يومي زبالكا بحري إيرترا بحر تبشحن حموشة 257 عامة مرات أما أكل دوار غوفيلو نتمكوح عزاز سراويتو دروي فنقاقا قتلو نورار تركن نورار محمد قراني على شاب بيلو دسعاره بحر نقاسي إساقيو بحري إيرترا بحر تبشحن شدشة 200 سوساتات أنصار وررتي بحرون مكلخال دموزن تبتبه بحر نقاسي يوهانس هاكايو بحري إيرترا بحرتهم أبكينات قرى بشحن شمون تميتن 76 أنصار تزمنا وأطوار زعاتقه بخدي بسماعيل زئزت زنبرة سراويت قبسي سراويتهم مريحو بجقننت وحسنت بحرهم زرقاقصو دقيات هايلو تولد مدهن دقيات نقاسي بودفاي دقيات فانتايني بحري إيرترا بحرتي إيرتراني إيرتراويان أقيمو إيرتراز مسرته رأس تسمى أسمرومي بحري إيرترا بحرتن هلاونت إيرترا شوعات تقزي بهلاونتو استفتنمو كساب حلفته هوتو هلاونت بحرون هاكرون زرقاقصه أبونا ولد أب ولد مريامي بحتصيرو بحري إيرترا بحر زوم أبوتات تقرينيا إيو إم زبالة يتحبو
Hey! علي عثمان
بويتوي زنبسا تشدن قرما عد قرما سفر
بلوزدن
The teeth are yellow. I don't. Why are we not? Why are we?
كتشكر خدينا قمش كتب الونجر ونجر الدراسة عن خيو كتب الكمبل نزفر الرش كتشكر خدينا طبعا شكر الكع شكر لازم شكر شكر يعيش شكر قم نقدر شكر كل شكر 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 طبعا شكر الكع شكر لازم شكر شكر يعيش شكر قم نقدر شكر كل شكر شكر شكر.
Big projects need leaders.
مرعى قاتمتني أنا تيجي تقدم يتمرع أخوان حنكس بليتي كاميرا مان كلنا ديتات اجري ترحسيلوا اجري ترحسيلوا خمسين خيل اجري سبزح اجري حجز بزحت مويتي سبفت كذا النبره استمرعي النبره حنكسي حلفنا ندبل حنت اجري سلاس سحبه اجري طرح افتبت خسيان قداسي اللي بيكشي له مسكل كنسانم كيرئينا خاتم داغبر كلها باجراد يجلم تنقي سلخم غير رسالنا قد حدا يكون لي ثبتت لي معناتي انت قلت تخلص عدلي حنكاس كاميرا من بس احنا حنكاس نبرح لي
أيكون الكاميرا
ما يتحازلنا ده حنكسلنا ده
عندي فيديو مش تجرني رانا
تأخذ عمر عاق
كوي تبغى الله تسارع ورجاجة تأسي ما قلت هذا هبئة تمثل تالت حق زروات بقتنا قلت أفناقة تا قهوة ترح اسمه بقبض زرات رح تبت أنت خدمبا قد أفرس مو قوي يمثل تهيلن كات أوعي تعمبا أكيد أقوباري أتمثل كوي تبغى الله
كهم بوالا بكفل وسط تلفزيون
عمي وندندي رؤيتي وزبد حنيتاي كم زبوس يا إيش ما تتساك الحلنا يملون عمي وندندي رؤيتي وزبد حنيتاي كم زبوس يا إيش ما تتساك لومي دراري كم عندي صباح قلت له راضي لبي ريولي لبي كبني كدني وباسبي ماني بحكي اماني زيتها بس لبيو زلني حجي تبلو وخولي صباح
immigration and
Are you 50 plus?
Are كدفيزل عبد بخي على كفيل نانا كدفيزل قد صغري كملك وعلي ليش
Sonny's.
أبايل زدو ما في كدوان أمنو بكدات نتعمل وركا بدر دسو طالت بيت جلال سن مالت
عبت روح سود أمت يكبرنا روح سود أمت يكبرنا سلام سلام نحقرنا سلام 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 نعجنا نتحبس يكبرنا سناي زمن يكبرنا سناي زمن عبت روح سود أمت يكبرنا روح سود أمت يكبرنا سلام سلام نحقرنا سلام 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 نعجنا نتحبس يكبرنا سناي زمن يكبرنا سناي زمن عبت
بغداد بسلك لو ولا فكرك يا روح قلعيه عتيا مريم بقبري اخي بابخي بدي اخي بسرعه ما عمل سكيت ملس لي تاي ملسغي يا فكرك هيا ايوه انا ملسغي هكا تشاو الو يما يملكتني وري ساولي
يا جماعه بديتو كتشكر خدينا قمش كتبال ونجر يراس عن خيوكو كتبال كمبل نزفر الرش كتشكر
Hello, my name is Salem Maforki. I send warm greetings to you all. Today I am exploring Addis Ababa. I enjoy its lively Hello everyone, my name is Salem Maforki. First of all, thank you for watching. This is my YouTube. Please like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment to hear your thoughts. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Hello everyone, my name is Salem Maforki. First of all, thank you for watching. This is my YouTube. Please like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment to hear your thoughts. I'd love to hear your thoughts.